Ayan, may mga nahulog na naman na apricots. Pang 7 days ko ito na mamulot sa umaga. Ayan. Kaya pulutin ko ito, uhugasan at saka i-dry. Ayan, marami pang bunga. Dami pa rin bunga. Pag yellow na, doon mo makikita na marami palang bunga. Akala ko noon kunti lang kasi green. Ngayon yellow na. Doon mo makikita na maraming bunga. Yun. Dito sa aking binan, dito sa aking bayaw sa baba. Dito natutulog si Pahad. Ayan, dito natulog yung mga bisita ko nung pumunta sila dito noong Thursday ng gabi. Tapos nung Friday ng tanghali after lunch, bumalik na sila. Isang gabi lang sila dito. Dito sila natulog lahat. Dito sa baba. Ayan. Dami. Yung mga ibon. Naririnig nyo yung ibon. Ito yung mga green, medyo green pa yung iba. Malibanag. Pero madali na lang ito mahinog lahat. Dami. Ayan, pulutin natin. Yan yung mga nahulog na pinulot ko. Pero from time to time, marami talagang nahuhulog. Hanggang hanggang hapon. May mga mahuhulog talaga. Kaya hanggang maubos itong bunga nito, hanggang maubos ito, gagawin ko lahat, idadry ko ito lahat. Itong mga mahuhulog na bunga kasi sayang pag hindi mo drinay, wala naman kakain. Yan. This one yesterday I make dry because before 2 days I think I don't have time to make dry because I have visitor from Islamabad, Angel with her husband and 2 children with nephews and niece. So yesterday I make dry this one, and these are seeds. And these are last 4 days ago, so some already dried. So what is dry, I have to put here all because I will use also this one, this tray, because I don't have container or trays to dry. And this one, it's all about to dry. So, and today, just now, I go down and get this one. So, I will wash this one again 3 times to make dry again. So, I will put all together this dried apricots to that container so I can use this trays. And this one, our apricots yesterday, I get afternoon because too much fall down also. This one, as you can see the trees over there. Yan yung tree oh. Marami pang bunga na nalalaglag. Yan. Oh. So I think there are apricots again fall down, so I will get also this one. These are all for today, 7 days of drying apricots. So these are all seeds. And I will dry over there in that tin or yero. And that one yesterday I make dry. And today is washing day also. Today is June 14 ba yun? Ngayon 14 pala ngayon. And today is Sunday. Time check Pakistan time is 11 a.m. It's a sunny day and summer time. But here in my village, Rawlakot, it's cool. I think 29 degrees centigrade, and as you compare in other places like in Islamabad, Rawalpindi, Lahore, Karachi, I think it's more than 35 or 40 degrees centigrade, I think, in their place. But here in my place, even summer, it's cold. These are apricots again for drying. Yesterday, I did not make dry because yesterday, I think is not good weather. There is no, it's cloudy. So today I make dry. So how many shopper here you see? And what is dry here in this trays, I remove already and put in one trays. So I will use again this one for drying. What I will do this one is I have to wash again and then make dry and put here in trays. These are all for today, yesterday, and today. And these are seeds for I think 9 days. And I have seeds also before first day of drying. This one all. And this one all. Ayan, daming seeds oh. So, bali ang gawin ko dito, I will make tawag dyan, pukpukin ba? Tapos marami ito pag pinukpok. Yan, ang dami. Oh. So, ibilad ko ito sa labas. Doon sa labas. Yan doon. Kung saan ako nagda-dry. Yan. And then yung isa naman doon na sa yero. So, dalhin ko na doon. Ida-dry ko. This is already dried. So, I put together here. Or I think for 7 days this one or 6 days. So these are new. This one, and this one. You see there is butterfly, oh, very big butterfly. And this one I think before yesterday or before and 2 days ago this one. So ayan, and also over there. That was 3 days, 4 days ago this one. Ayan. Yan, very nice weather also today, and there is ayan may hangin. So this is our natural air here instead of air condition cooler. Today is June 17 I think, and today is Tuesday. Time check is 11 a.m. So ayan ang hangin. Ayan, marami pa rin bunga yung plums kasi nung pumunta sila dito last Thursday si Angel with husband, 2 kids and niece and nephew ay marami noon. Kaya lang marami din silang kinuha pero marami pa rin